Hey there everyone, if you've been grappling with the pesky matchmaking error 1 or finding yourself stuck with the error code match.session-unavailable.402 in Fortnite, don't fret, fixing it is a walk in the park, and in today's video, I'm here to guide you through the process. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Use an optimized DNS server. Open command prompt again, type ping 1111 and press enter to get the ping details for this DNS server. Next, type ping 8888 and press enter for the other DNS server's ping details. Determine which DNS server has the lowest ping. Go to settings, click on network and internet, and then click on Ethernet. Click on edit button next to DNS server assignment. Select manual. Turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. In the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. For 1111, type 1001. Finally, click save. Check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Reset network configuration settings. First off, click on search icon and type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt, select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Next, type ipconfig/DNS and hit enter. After that, type ipconfig/release and hit enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Following that, type netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these comments in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and router. Now check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Switch your game server. Open Fortnite, click on the profile icon, click on the settings icon, then navigate to settings. Switch to the game tab. Click the arrow to change the game server. Select any server other than the one you were playing on and click enter. And click apply. Check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Disconnect your VPN. Open settings. Click on network and internet, click on VPN, click on the disconnect button, and this should resolve the matchmaking error 1. So folks, that's the lowdown on troubleshooting the matchmaking error 1 in Fortnite on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.